Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial on using the advanced formula field in the stamps layer. So we're going to be going over a more complicated example of using the formula field with stamps. The first thing you want to do is add a layer. In this example, we'll be using the test layer. And I've already actually added it, but I'm going to show you what to do. Click the plus sign and search for test. Click that to add it to your layer manager. Now click set the long lat bounds. This will bring back stamps for the main view. And make sure emissivity is selected. Then we're going to go down to template and click predefined. Then click warm surface, high quality, clear atmosphere, and press apply. And you can see that our selections were added to our search criteria and press OK. And then this will bring back stamps that we're going to use. So now let's go look at what that brings back. We'll turn my layer back on. And you'll notice that everything is in a grayscale colored scheme. We're going to change that first by double clicking and adjust this for a minute so we can see the whole window. Right click on the color bar at the bottom and go to test color map. All right. And you can see we don't have any additional columns at this point. You're going to click formulas and we're going to add two different formula tabs. The first one's going to be old calculations. And the second one is going to be new calculations. I'm going to actually show you how JMARS used to do it and how it does it now. Keep in mind that if you don't save these as you click off of each layer, it doesn't save your formula. So make sure you're updating your save at the bottom right hand corner as you go back and forth. So let's start with the old calculations. We're going to bring this down and show you that this is the formula we got from the paper that we're using for our example. You can see it's pretty complicated, 3 different sections of it, and I copy and pasted what we're going to do so to save time from typing. And this is how JMARS used to do it. You can see that it has the amount in each section and then divided by that amount. And now let's do the new way. And again, I've copied and pasted this formula so that we can save some time. And you can see how much simpler and easier it is to type in. If you notice, you don't even have to divide by the amount of variables in the equation. It just calculates how many are in the array and it does the dividing by that number of variables on its own. It's definitely easier and shorter than the paper. Go back and look at the old one real quick. Make sure we're saving. You can see that in the result preview that both areas are the same value. That's important. And now we want to update our columns. And you can see that both columns of the formula field were added. Now keep in mind that if you need help, you can click on these question marks and get help on syntax. You can also look at the other intro tutorial to get more information on those selections. Well, that's it. Thanks for joining me. I hope that example helped.